Come test drive the 2019 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.